Hello, welcome to my channel and happy Halloween. I'm painting witches this week and here's my first one on her broomstick with her cat. And I think she might be off to a party. She's in a very happy mood, painted in pinks and purples. That's got to be party colours for a witch, don't you think? I did my sketch on tracing paper and then transferred it to 140 pound mixed media. And I'm using a small brush. I'm just painting the sky around the outside of the moon. And I'm using a small brush for that. And then I change to a 3/4 inch flat and do the larger spaces. And I'm using French ultramarine blue acrylic paint. The trick when you're doing these big washes of colour is to use plenty of water. I treat acrylics like watercolours when I'm doing this kind of thing. And I might add more colour over the top, just drop more colour in or use it on my paintbrush and paint it in. And I'm doing a vertical stroke here, but I will go in after while the paint is still wet and do horizontal strokes just to sort of even it all out a little bit. Since I'm painting on paper, I don't find it so easy to blend as I do on a canvas. You can hear the dogs in the background, someone's delivering something. When I'm painting on a canvas, I use a powder brush and blend in quite a bit. Here I'm just using horizontal strokes to do the same thing. I'm mixing raw umber and French ultramarine blue to give me a black or close to black, and I'm going to do the cloak with that. After I put enough of it on, I realize I've chosen the wrong color entirely for the cloak and I need to adjust it. And I finish putting the black on and then realize I can't do a color over that, it won't show up. So I have to paint it with a color that's based in titanium white. And I chose the purple, mixed it with titanium white, and then painted that over the black. You'll see as we go on. But if that happens to you, if you get something very dark on there and you want to put a lighter color over, just put either some white paint or white gesso over it, let it dry, and then you can paint any color that you want over that. You've virtually turned it back to blank paper. In my case, I used a purple paint. I can't remember the name of it. I haven't got it in front of me. And I mixed it with white, which gave me a paler purple. and I painted that over the black, and it came out quite nicely, I thought. My witch is dressed quite traditionally with hat and cloak and boots. I've tried to brighten her up a little more. I've tried to bring her into the 21st century in her equipment. You can see her broomstick is all of the latest design, and it has handlebars and foot pedals, I think you call them. And I think she's rather smart myself. The cat is hanging on for dear life. Did I say I am using acrylic paints? I thought of doing this in watercolour, but I don't have my watercolours around. I am in the middle of renovations to the house, and I have to find my stuff. Some of it's in storage and some of it's buried in the house somewhere. You can see here the purple cloak came out quite well after I'd mixed the purple with titanium white, which makes paint opaque. I'd finished painting everything. I used a mid-tone over the entire painting. I didn't put in highlights or shadows, but what I did do is use paint markers. Purple for the purple cloak. I also used black for the hat and other places on there. I tried to use a paint marker that was darker than the color that I had painted. For instance, the pink shirt, I used a darker, almost red color marker to outline everything. I outlined everything. It makes it very smooth. It gives a nice sharp edge to everything. And I think for this type of sketch, it works really well. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe. That helps my channel grow, and I'd appreciate it if you could find time to do that. And thank you very much for watching, and thank you as well if you've already subscribed to my channel. That was very helpful.